Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Lynx broker. When you enter the website for registration, click on open account. Choose the country, then we enter the registration section. Enter a gender, first name, last name, email address, and choose a account type, which you can choose between individual account, joint account, and company account. After entering the informations, check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website, then click here. Enter a phone number here, then click on Receive Confirmation. We're going to receive a code in our mobile phone, enter the code here, then click on Confirm Registration. Then we enter our account's dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Lynx Broker. Good luck.